Hey YouTube, BR Tidwell55 here. According to networkmarketshare.com, 26.4% of computers on the internet, I think that's how they get their statistics. Anyway, a lot of desktop computers out there, 26.4%, as I said, are still running Windows XP. When Microsoft ended, that means that when Microsoft ended official support for those systems back on April the 8th, that means that millions of computers and computer users out there are vulnerable because they are no longer receiving critical security updates. Computer experts recommend, and I agree, that that's a very dangerous situation and that those users should migrate their systems to a supported operating system. Of course, Microsoft will tell you to upgrade to Windows 7 or Windows 8, maybe even Windows Vista, but I don't know why anyone would want to do that to themselves. I have consistently recommended actually replacing Windows XP with a Linux distribution, and that's for several reasons. One of which is that systems running Windows XP may not have quite the specifications that they need to really run Windows 7 or Windows 8 well. But there are plenty of lightweight Linux distributions that will still run those computer systems just fine. So I really think that's the ideal situation, is that you update, that you upgrade, that you migrate to a supported operating system. Now that being said, there are still millions of users out there who, for whatever reason, will not migrate. They will still continue to run Windows XP, and that really puts the rest of us at risk, because if they're running an unpatched operating system, an unsupported operating system, there can still be vulnerabilities that exist in the code of Windows XP that bad guys can use to take over their system, create botnets, for example, and it really puts the rest of us internet users at risk, having that many unpatched, unsupported computers out there. Fortunately, there is a workaround. See, while Microsoft ended support for vanilla desktop Windows XP, there are still operating systems out there that Microsoft supports that are actually based on Windows XP, and they still support those operating systems, and these are point of sale systems, embedded systems like ATMs. Those systems are still supported until 2019. So somebody a lot smarter than me found a registry hack that will allow you to continue to receive security updates from Microsoft if you're running XP. I'm going to show you that right now. So basically what you want to do is, caution, you're editing the registry here, do this at your own risk. So what you want to do is, you want to open up your notepad. And I will copy and I will put this text in the description of my video, so basically all you'll have to do is copy and paste this text into a WordPad or into a notepad text file. And after you copy and paste this text, what you're going to do is you're going to get a file, you're going to go to save as, name it xp-security-updates.reg, and save as type. You'll want to hit all files so that file extension is a .reg file. You'll hit save, and then once you do that, you're going to get you'll get a file that looks like this in your wherever you saved it at in your file system. You'll double click on that, and what that'll do is that will put that registry entry into that will change your registry and put that registry value, the registry key, in there. And like I said, what that does is basically fools Microsoft Update into thinking you're running a cache register, and you'll still continue to get updates. Word of caution: these security patches that are being pushed are not tested on vanilla desktop Windows XP. they could cause your system to become unstable, possibly even useless. So do this at your own risk. The only reason I'm putting this video out, and it's basically as a public service to the rest of, for the rest of us who have migrated. I would rather see you take the risk on your system, and get patches and take the risk of your system becoming unstable, rather than the rest of us take the risk of a large number of people running an unpatched, unsupported operating system. And I can also tell you, I have tried this. I still have a system with a Windows XP partition, the one that I'm using to make this video right now. I have tried this myself. I did receive security updates for Windows XP from Microsoft. I even received security updates for the Office 2003 installation that is on the system. So it does work. But there again, I'm a word of caution. You really, really, truly are better off migrating to a supported operating system. And I'm going to end it right there. This is BR Tidwell 55. Thank you for watching.